for May 26th, 2021. Please turn in your math book to page 275. These are called math tools, and they're ways that you can use math mountains to solve addition and subtraction problems. This is an add to math mountain. When you know the two addends, but not the total, you can write the addends at the bottom of the mountain and the total at the top of the mountain. Please fill in the total for these two boxes. If it's a take from math word problem, you start with the total, you put one of the parts, one of the addends, and then a box for the missing addend, and you can subtract total minus addend equals the other addend. Put together and take apart, there are two different tools. This is a put together tool where the two addends are here and you put the total here. This is a put together take apart tool where you have the total, you take one of the parts away, you have the other part. Write the missing numbers in all of these boxes. How are these math tools the same? How are they different? They are the same because they are different because they all have something missing, correct? That's something that's the same. They all have a missing number, an unknown number. But what's different is the different parts are missing. It might be total, it might be an addend. You do not have to do number 9 math journal. Then turn to page 276. An expression is a combination of numbers, variables, and or operation signs. Expressions do not have an equal sign. An equation is made up of two equal quantities or expressions. An equal sign is used to show that the two sides are equal. So here we have an equation because it has an equal sign and the values on both sides are the same. This is an equation because it has an equal sign and the values on both sides are the same. And this keeps going. You can see more examples of equations with an equal sign and the value of both sides is equal. The is not equal to sign, it looks like an equal sign with a slash through it, shows that two quantities are not equal. 7 does not equal 5 plus 3. 4 plus 2 does not equal 8. 7 does not equal 6. And you can look at the other examples. Use the equal sign to write 4 equations. Vary, that means change, how many numbers you have on each side of the sign. So here you can see they had one number and then two numbers. Here they had two numbers and then one number. Here they had one number and then one number. Here they had two numbers and then two numbers. You cannot copy these exact same equations, but you can see the style that they did it in and choose 4. Just use different numbers. For number 11, use the sign, the not equal to sign to write 4 is not equal to statements. That means you're going to write 4 different statements with things that are not equal to each other. And you need to vary the number, how many numbers on each side of the sign. So one number, two numbers, two numbers, one number, one number, one number, etc. Write 4 not equal to's here, and you can't copy these exact ones. Write a number to make each number sentence true. 160 equals something plus 90. 150 minus something equals 70. 30 plus something is not equal to 120. You can put anything in here that makes it not equal to 120. 70 plus 20 equals 20 plus blank. This just has to be not equal to 140 minus 70. 60 minus 20 is not equal to 10 plus 10 plus something. You can put anything in here that makes it not equal 60 minus 20. And here you write equal to or not equal to make true number sentences. That is your math for today.